is working through the solution to number 10 from your test review. This is a newer, trickier kind of problem, and you're going to have one like this on your test, so I wanted to work through it. So remember, finding the inverse, we switch our x's and our y's. And the f of x, remember, is just like our y. So I'm going to rewrite this with my f of x being y. And now to find my inverse, I'm going to swap the places of my x's and my y's. And because I have x in two places here, that means I'm going to have y in two places when solving for the inverse. So the first thing I want to do, I'm trying to get y by itself. I want to get rid of this denominator. So I have to multiply by y plus 1 on both sides. So that'll cancel. And I have x times y plus 1 equals negative 8y. The next step I need to take here is distribute the x to the y plus 1. So I'll have x times y plus x equals negative 8y. Now again, my end goal is still to solve for y and get y by itself. So what I need to do is get all of my y's on the same side of the equal sign. So this xy term here, because it has a y in it, I'm going to move it to the right side. So x is equal to negative 8y minus xy. Okay, all of my terms with y in them are on the right side of my equals. So this is a common factor, this y here. So I'm going to factor it out and get negative 8 minus x. And now the last step I need to take to get y by itself is now divide by negative 8 minus x on both sides. Okay, so it cancels here. And so x over negative 8 minus x equals y. This is my inverse. Now because I have two negatives in the bottom, I can factor out that negative and it would be x plus 8. But either of these is the correct way to write the inverse.